Hello, very good evening to all. Today I will share my views on a legend. The date was 14 April 1891, where a person born in India at Madhya Pradesh. That person belongs to backward caste. He was not allowed to come in class. He took classes from window. He faced a lot of discrimination. Second start. Hello, very good evening to all. Hello, very good evening to all. Today I am going to speak about a legend. 14 April 1891, that day where a person born in India at Madhya Pradesh. That person belongs to lower caste. He was not allowed to come in class. He took classes from the window. He faced a lot of discrimination such as violence of human rights, poverty, illiteracy, untouchability, etc. The major discrimination he faced, that is casteism. His friends and his teacher discriminated with him by his lower caste. His friend do not eat. His friend would not eat beside him by his lower caste. His teacher do not check his copies as he formed a family that considered unclean by Orthodox Hindus. That person was very worried about that the people discriminated with him. He live alone. When he go for play, the children deny that you cannot play with us. One day, he go for play. He took the ball from the dirty lake and he rubbed it on his teacher and said to children, "Can I play with you?" So the children deny, "No, you cannot play. You touched the ball, so it is dirty, so you cannot play with us." So you can think how the people discriminated with him, with that person. One day he asked to his mother, "Mother, why the people discriminated with us?" So then his mother replied, "We belong to backward caste. That's why the people discriminated with us." He said, "Mother, I will write a book. In that book, all people are equals. All people have their own rights to do everything. No one is higher, no one is lower." That person, he was the first man who completed PhD in India. I am talking about a legend, that is Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was not a normal man. He is a legend for us because by his sacrifices, the lower caste is getting education in highly school on sitting on bench. By his sacrifices, the girls are getting education. He was not a normal man. He was a legend for us and for you because he sacrificed a lot for us and he has also taken a place in our hearts. So thank you.